Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by pausing and retracing where you were in the last 10-15 minutes so you don't scatter search zones. Then open the Watch Companion app or phone's Find feature and attempt a ping. This forces a sound if the device is nearby. Once the ping runs, make a quick call to the watch and enable any play sound or locate option. This is faster than guessing and saves battery, so use it before scanning Bluetooth or visiting locations. Once you've tried the ping, shift to a methodical scan. Use a Bluetooth low-energy scanner on your phone and walk slowly in arcs, watching signal strength to triangulate direction. Also review the watch's last known GPS coordinates in the app and compare timestamps to places you visited. If indoors, systematically search rooms and public lost and found areas. Ask staff and nearby people. Make sure to check places you stopped for more than a minute, since watches often drop during pauses. When you locate the watch, inspect it for damage, confirm battery level, and reconnect through the companion app. You may need to repair if it fell out of range. If you cannot find it, immediately enable lost mode or lock it remotely, and contact the manufacturer or carrier to flag the serial number. If tracking fails, troubleshoot by restarting your phone, toggling Bluetooth and location services, and attempting the scan from a different device. This often resolves intermittent connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.